Hi guys, I'll be giving you the weekly wrap for the week beginning 5th of February 2018. So we have 5 auctions ending this week, so let's make a start to it. First auction is the online new industrial fiberglass and aluminium ladders auction. This is ending Monday the 5th of February at 6 p.m. and this includes 3 of the new 12-step fiberglass extension ladders, 3 of the new fiberglass platform step ladders, 3 of the new fiberglass dual-purpose trestle ladders, 3 of the new fiberglass double-sided step ladders, and 3 of the new aluminium work platforms. Our second auction is the online administrators Brierty limited clearance auction, and this is for Topcon and workshop spares, and this is ending Tuesday the 6th of February at 10 a.m. And this includes Topcon excavator GPS levelling systems, workshop equipment, spare parts, hand and power tools, and much more. Our third and fourth auction are one big auction, but they are split into 2. So the first lot of this is the online bulk stationery and office consumables liquidation auction 1 of 2. And this is ending Wednesday the 7th of February at 6 p.m. And this includes printers, filing cabinets, chairs and office consumables such as pens, pencils, paper, stationery, diaries, folders, print cartridges and much more. So our second of that is the online bulk stationery and office consumables liquidation auction 2 of 2. This is ending Thursday the 8th of February at 6 p.m. and this includes office consumables such as pens, pencils, paper, stationery, diaries, folders, envelopes, dividers, print cartridges and much more. And our last auction is the online stand-up paddleboards and skateboards auction. This is ending Sunday the 11th of February at 6 p.m. and this includes 9-inch stand-up paddleboards with paddles and assorted bundles of street skateboards in 73cm and 93cm sizes with beach and skull graphics. So that's all for today. However, we will be releasing assets over the course of the week, which will be featuring in our upcoming multi-vendor auction in February. So this will be taking place on Thursday, February the 15th. So make sure you keep an eye out for these and we will see you very soon.